Hi, welcome to NPA teaching. Today we are going to discuss about the types of research. As we are already said that research is a process of systematic inquiry that involves collection, analysis and interpretation of data or information in accordance with suitable methodologies. Depending upon your research question, nature of information, and your preferences and skill, research methods are broadly divided into quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative research is mainly used to quantify the problems by the way of generating numerical data that can be transformed and measured statistically. It is used to quantify attitude, opinion, behavior, and other defined variables and generalize the results. Therefore, it is objective in nature. Quantitative research uses measurable data to formulate the facts, and it is generally used when you want to confirm or test something or a theory or hypothesis. Now we are looking into what are the various quantitative data collection methods. See here, it includes various forms of survey methods like online survey, paper survey, mobile or telephonic survey, and face-to-face interview. It also includes one of the method like experiments. Experiment is a situation in which the variables are controlled and manipulated to establish cause and effect relationship. So these are the various quantitative research data collection methods. Now we are discussing the major types of quantitative research. The first one is survey research. Using this method of research, one can conduct the survey by asking different questions from respondents using the various types like online survey, online polls, paper questionnaire, etc. and then collect the data and analyze the collected data in order to produce the numerical results. The second one is correlational research, which is conducted for establishing a relationship between two closely associated variables to know the impact of one variable on another variable, and then changes in these variables are eventually observed. The third one is causal comparative research method, which is used to draw conclusion with respect to the cause and effect equation between the two or more than two variable, where one variable will be dependent on the another variable, which is called independent variable. Finally, the experimental research method, which is done for the purpose of proving or disproving the statement. It is generally used in the field of natural sciences and social sciences, where the statements are required to be proved as right or wrong. While qualitative research is the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting non-numerical data, it is primarily an exploratory research where the problem is not clearly defined or problem is at the preliminary stage. It is used to gain an understanding of primary reasons, opinions, and motivations by looking inside into the problem or helps to develop ideas or hypotheses. Therefore, it is subjective in nature. Qualitative research methods are based on words, perception, feelings of an individual on a specific subject rather than numbers, and they conclude the questionnaires with open-ended questions. The aim of this type of research is to understand the social realities of an individual, group, and cultures as nearly as possible as its participants feel it. Therefore, it is generally used when you want to understand something like concept, thoughts, experience, opinion, perception, issues, problems, and focus on why and how rather than what of social phenomena. See what are the various qualitative data collection methods. Some commonly used qualitative data collection methods are one-to-one interview, which is done by asking open-ended questions verbally to respondents. The second one is case study research, which is the detailed or in-depth study of specific subject such as person, group, place, event, organization or phenomena, and which is commonly used in social, educational, clinical and business research. The next one is record keeping, which is the method to make use of already existing reliable documents and similar source of information as the data source. So this data can be used in new research. The next one is qualitative observation, which is the process of research that uses subjective methodologies like sight, smell, touch, taste and hearing to gather systematic information or data. The next one is ethnographic research, which is the qualitative method where researchers observe and interact with study participants in their real life environment to closely observe their culture and behavior. And the last one is focus group discussion. It is the discussion among group of people about a topic to gather opinion that can be used for further research. Quantitative and qualitative research use different research methods to collect and analyze data and allow you to answer different kinds of research questions. The major differences between quantitative and qualitative research methods are discussing here. See, the quantitative research is mainly focused on testing theories and hypotheses, whereas qualitative research is focused on exploring ideas and formulating a theory and hypothesis. Quantitative research is analyzed through mathematics, statistical analysis or statistical tools, while qualitative research is mainly analyzed by summarizing, categorizing and interpreting the result. Similarly, the another difference between quantitative and qualitative research is quantitative research is mainly expressed in numbers, graphs and tables, while qualitative research is expressed through words, opinion and perceptions. Quantitative research require many respondents, whereas qualitative research require only a few respondents. Most of the research questions are closed-ended in the case of quantitative research and open-ended in the case of qualitative research. So the quantitative research is deductive, objective and also used to generalize a study population, while qualitative research is inductive, subjective and cannot be used to generalize the population. Thus, quantitative research deals with the numbers and statistics which allow you to test a hypothesis by systematically collecting, analyzing and interpreting data. While qualitative research deals with words and meanings which allow you to explore ideas and experiences in depth or in detail. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you.